Hi everyone. At this point, if you've seen any of my reviews or how-tos on applying press-on nails, you know I'm pretty loyal to imPress nails. I've been so for about a year and a half. However, lately my preferences have changed in the way I wear my nails. I usually like a very short and single colored nail, which imPress nails excels at with their press-on nails. But in the last few months, I've been choosing longer, more fabulous styles for my nails, and I think that's where Dashing Diva Magic Press-On nails excel. I just think that their medium to long length nails edge out the long and medium lengths of the imPress variety. I randomly came across the Dashing Diva Magic Press-On nails at Sally Beauty, and I haven't been able to find them anywhere since. I was actually headed to Sally Beauty to pick up a few sets to show you guys, and Sally Beauty was closed for lunch. They said they were going to be back in 30 minutes. So I saw online that Ulta carried Dashing Diva. So I went over to Ulta, and it turns out they didn't have their magic press-on nails. They only had the nail strips, which, if you're like me, that's all I thought Dashing Diva did, was the nail strip type of nails. I know they have the regular nail strips and then also a gel kind, which at this point in time isn't my jam, so I was never really interested in Dashing Diva. So I walked around Ulta for a little bit. They had all my favorite imPress nails, but no Dashing Diva Magic Presses, so I had to wait around until Sally Beauty finally opened because I had to grab some sets to show you guys. But if you guys know anywhere else where I can find them, please let me know in the comments because I'm in love with these nails at the moment. Right now I have on Vamp Vixen. They're like a deep red and gold accent kind of nail, and these are a medium in the Dashing Diva, but they're comparable to a long in imPress nails. This is my second set in the box, so they're just like imPress nails where you can use them multiple times, and I actually find that it's easier for me to find all the nails that I need the second or third time around. Sometimes with imPress nails I can struggle a touch and might have to do some sizing down, but it still works. On my last trip to Sally Beauty, they had a pretty good selection, and I ended up picking 4 boxes out. I got the House of Blues box, which is just different tones of blue, and then some are matte and some are shiny. I got Happy Medium, which is this pretty rainbow ombre French tip kind of deal. These are so fun, but I think I might have to wait till next spring or summer to wear them, but these are so pretty. I got this subtle neutral pair called Barely Bougie, and it just goes from a pink to a white tip in an ombre fashion. And then I thought these are really fun. This is the After Hours box, and it's like a black French tip nail. Those are super cool. I can't wait to wear those around Halloween time. I've also tried quite a few of the medium to long length and the imPress nails. I'll show you a few boxes that I have on hand at the moment, and they're both really great, but I think that the Dashing Diva nails edge them out, mainly for me in the shape of them. I think the shape of the longer ones is just a little daintier and a little more sleek, which I personally prefer. Once I put the Dashing Divas on, I don't have to do any shaping or any work to them. They just look nice. As far as the price comparison goes, the Dashing Diva ones at my Sally Beauty are always around $8.89, I believe, or $8.99. So they're between $8 and $9. And then the imPress nails, if you get a basic box, it's $5 or $6. And then the more detailed ones can be around $8 or $9. So they're pretty comparable price-wise. Neither of them is going to break the bank. Now I know the big question is, do they last as long as the imPress nails? I have praised the Kiss Powerflex nail glue ad nauseum on my channel, but it's so true for me that when I pair that Powerflex nail glue with any press-on nail that I've tried, I get the approximate 2 weeks of wear time. That's been with the Dollar General press-on nails, imPress, and now Dashing Diva. So when it comes to longevity, yes, they do hold up to the imPress nails. The only caveat with this, in my experience, is that the length of the nail impacts how long the glue will hold them. Now, if I'm wearing a short nail, regardless of the brand, I will get the full 2 weeks, if not more. But as soon as I put on a longer nail, there's a greater surface area that is not adhered to your nail bed, so the longevity does decrease. So I find that when I'm wearing these medium to long nails, I will get random pop-offs much more often than when I'm wearing short nails. Now, that's not a brand thing. That is just, again, because when when you have that longer nail, you're asking the glue to do a lot more work for you. There's a lot more pressure on the glue and you'll get random pop-offs. So I always have some glue in my purse just in case one does pop off and I'm on the go and I don't want to look wacky or spend time then popping them all off. So I'll just carry some PowerFlex nail glue with me in case that happens. But I'm usually solid for 3 to 4 days before I'm in any danger of popping off. You know, if I do carry the glue around, I can still push them to 2 weeks if I want to. The only thing I would say, if you don't feel like doing that and you're going on vacation, I would opt for a shorter nail if I were you, just because then you don't have to worry and you're gonna get close to 2 weeks of wear, if not 2 weeks of wear. But that's definitely up to you when you're traveling. Let me know in the comments if you've seen the Dashing Diva Magic Press-On Nails around somewhere, and if you know where to find them besides Sally Beauty, and also if you've compared them to imPress or the Dollar General brand. Let me know what you prefer. If you have any other tips and tricks for us all in the comments, let us know. And until next time, off I go.
Now off you go, young people.